Hello, remedial focus. In this video, I have prepared remedial biology university entrance examination model question from remedial biology, unit 2 biomolecules. These questions are very important for remedial and grade 12 students. I am Dr. Alamayu from Warabe University. Stay with me. Choose the best answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Which of the following is an inorganic molecule essential for life? A. Glucose. B. Water. C. Protein. D. DNA. The answer is B, which is water, because water is an essential molecule that does not contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. It is essential for life due to its role as a solvent, temperature regulator, and medium for biochemical reactions. Question number 2. Why is water called a universal solvent? A. It dissolves most polar and inorganic substances. B. It dissolves only salts. C. It dissolves only organic compounds. D. It does not dissolve anything. The answer is A. It dissolves most polar and inorganic substances because water's polarity allows it to interact with and dissolve many ionic and polar substances, this making it essential for cellular transport and metabolism. Question number 3. A plant wilts under heat stress. Which property of water is most directly affected? A. Cohesion. B. Solvent property. C. High specific heat. D. Surface tension. The answer is C, which is high specific heat, because water's high specific heat capacity helps maintain temperature stability. When disrupted, plants lose water faster, leading to wilting. Question number 4. Which mineral deficiency leads to poor oxygen transport in blood? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Sodium. D. Potassium. The answer is B. Iron, because iron is a key component of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen. Deficiency leads to anemia. Question number 5. A diet lacking iodine may result in A. Diabetes. B. Rickets. C. Anemia. D. Goiter. The answer is D. Goiter, because iodine is required for thyroid hormone production. Its deficiency causes goiter or enlarged thyroid gland. Question number 6. Which biomolecule is the main energy source? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Nucleic acids. The answer is A. Carbohydrates, because carbohydrates, essentially glucose, are the primary source of quick energy. Question number 7. Monosaccharides are A. Complex sugars. B. Lipids. C. Simple sugars. D. Proteins. The answer is C. Simple sugars, because monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrate. Example, glucose, fructose. Question number 8. Which carbohydrate is stored in animals? A. Starch. B. Lactose. C. Cellulose. D. Glycogen. The answer is D. Glycogen, because animals store glucose as glycogen, mainly in the liver and muscles. Question number 9. Cellulose differ from starch because A. It contains nitrogen. B. It has beta-glucose linkage. C. It is a lipid. D. It stores energy. The answer is B. It has beta-glucose linkage, because cellulose has beta-1,4 linkage, making it indigestible to humans, unlike starch, which has alpha linkage. Question number 10. Why can humans digest starch but not cellulose? A. Lack of enzymes for beta linkage. B. Lack of oxygen. C. Lack of water. D. High temperature. The answer is A. Lack of enzyme for beta linkage, because humans lack the enzyme cellulase needed to break beta glycosidic bonds in cellulose. Question number 11. Lipids are A. Hydrophilic. B. Water soluble. C. Hydrophobic. D. Proteins. The answer is C. Hydrophobic, because lipids are hydrophobic. That means water is soluble due to long hydrocarbon chains. Question number 12. Which lipid is solid at room temperature? A. Oil. B. Fat. C. Palm oil. D. Phospholipid. The answer is B. Fat, because fats contain saturated fatty acids, making them solid at room temperature. Question number 13. A cell membrane is mainly composed of A. Proteins only. B. Carbohydrates only. C. Phospholipids. D. DNA. The answer is C. Phospholipid, because cell membrane consists of phospholipid bilayer. Question number 14. Unsaturated fats differ from saturated fats because they A. Have no carbon. B. Have double bonds. C. Are proteins. D. Are polar. The answer is B. Have double bonds, because unsaturated fats contain double bonds, making them liquid at room temperature. Question number 15. Which is healthier for heart function? A. Unsaturated fat. B. Trans fat. C. Saturated fats. D. Cholesterol. The answer is A, unsaturated fat, because unsaturated fats help reduce bad cholesterol level. Question number 16. Proteins are made of A, fatty acids, B, sugars, C, nucleotides, D, amino acids. The answer is D, amino acids, because proteins are polymer of amino acids. Question number 17. Peptide bonds link A, sugars, B, lipids, C, amino acids, D, nucleotides. The answer is C, amino acids, because peptide bonds form between amino acids during protein synthesis. Question number 18. Denaturation of protein is caused by A, stable temperature, B, extreme heat, C, water, D, oxygen. The answer is B, extreme heat, because heat disrupts protein structure, causing denaturation. Question number 19. Enzymes function best at specific A, temperature and pH, B, color, C, size, D, shape only. The answer is A, temperature and pH, because each enzyme has an optimum temperature and pH. Question number 20. Why are enzymes considered biological catalysts? A, they slow reactions. B, they increase activation energy. C, they speed up reactions. D, they are consumed. The answer is C, they speed up reaction, because enzymes lower activation energy and speed up reaction without being consumed. Question number 21. Nucleic acids include A, DNA and RNA, B, proteins, C, lipids, D, carbohydrates. The answer is A, because nucleic acids are biological micromolecules responsible for storing and transmitting genetic information. The two main types are DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA ribonucleic acid. DNA stores hereditary information while RNA helps in protein synthesis. Question number 22. DNA stores A, energy, B, genetic information, C, heat, D, minerals. The answer is B, because DNA contains the instructions needed for the growth, development, and the functioning of organisms. These instructions are encoded in the sequence of nitrogen bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, which determines traits and control protein synthesis. Question number 23. RNA differ from DNA by having A, deoxyribose, B, thymine, C, uracil, D, double helix. The answer is C, because RNA contains uracil instead of thymine, which is found in DNA. Additionally, RNA has ribose sugar and is usually single-stranded, while DNA has deoxyribose sugar and is double-stranded. Question number 24. Which base pair correctly in DNA? A. Adenine to guanine. B. Cytosine to adenine. C. Adenine to thymine. D. Guanine to thymine. The answer is C, which is adenine to thymine, because in DNA, base pairing follows specific rules. Adenine pairs with thymine. Cytosine pairs with guanine. These pairs are held together by hydrogen bonds, ensuring accurate DNA replication. Question number 25. Mutation in DNA affects A. Only lipids. B. Genetic information. C. Water balance. D. Minerals. The answer is B, which is genetic information, because a mutation is a change in DNA sequence. Since DNA carries genetic instructions, any mutation can alter protein synthesis, potentially leading to change in traits or disease. Question number 26. Vitamins are A. Energy sources. B. Minerals. C. Proteins. D. Organic compounds needed in small amounts. The answer is D. Organic compounds needed in small amounts, because vitamins are organic molecules required in small quantities for proper metabolic function. They do not provide energy but act mainly as coenzymes or regulator of biochemical reactions. Question number 27. Vitamin C deficiency causes A. Rickets. B. Goiter. C. Scurvy. D. Anemia. The answer is C, which is scurvy, because vitamin C is important for collagen formation and immune function. Its deficiency leads to scurvy, characterized by bleeding gums, weak connective tissues, and poor wound healing. Question number 28. Vitamin D helps in absorption of A. Iron. B. Calcium. C. Sodium. D. Potassium. The answer is B, which is calcium, because vitamin D enhances the absorption of calcium from the intestine and helps maintain strong bones. Deficiency can lead to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Question number 29. Fat-soluble vitamins include A. B and C, B. B only, C. C only, D. Vitamin A, D, E, K. The answer is D. Vitamin A, D, E, and K. Because fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K are stored in body tissues and absorbed along with dietary fats. Unlike water-soluble vitamins, they can accumulate and potentially cause toxicity. Question number 30. Excess vitamin intake may lead to A. Deficiency, B. Toxicity, C. No effect, D. Growth. The answer is B, which is toxicity, because overconsumption of vitamins, especially fat-soluble ones, can cause hypervitaminosis or toxicity. For example, excess vitamin A can damage the liver. Question number 31. Which biomolecule provides long-term energy storage? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Nucleic acid. The answer is C, which is lipids, because lipids store more energy per gram, about 9 kilocalorie per gram, compared to carbohydrates 4 kilocalorie per gram. They are stored in adipose tissue and are used when the body requires energy over long periods, such as during fasting or prolonged exercise. Question number 32. Why do athletes consume carbohydrates before events? A. To store genetic information. B. To provide quick energy. C. To build enzymes. D. To regulate hormones. The answer is B, which is to provide quick energy, because carbohydrates are rapidly broken down into glucose, which is used in cellular respiration to produce ATP quickly. This makes them ideal for immediate energy needs during physical activities. The question number 33. Why is water essential in metabolic reaction? A. It acts as a solvent and reactant. B. It provides energy. C. It stores genetic material. D. It forms enzyme. The answer is A, which is it acts as solvent and reactant, because water dissolves many substances, allowing reaction to occur efficiently. It also directly participates in biochemical reactions such as hydrolysis, making it essential for metabolism. Question number 34. Which level of protein structure primarily determines its function? A. Primary structure. B. Secondary structure. C. Tertiary structure. D. Quaternary structure. The answer is C, which is tertiary structure, because the tertiary structure is the overall 3D shape of protein. This structure determines the shape of the active site and therefore the protein's function. Any disruption can lead to loss of activity. Question number 35. Which mineral is most important for strengthening bones and teeth? A. Iron. B. Calcium. C. Sodium. D. Iodine. The answer is B, which is calcium, because calcium is the main structural component of bones and teeth. It also plays roles in muscle contraction and nerve transmission. Question number 36. Dehydration most directly affects which biological function? A. DNA replication. B. vitamin storage. C, protein synthesis. D, transport of nutrients. The answer is D, which is transport of nutrients, because water is the main component of blood plasma. Dehydration reduces blood volume, making it difficult to transport nutrients, oxygen, and wastes throughout the body. Question number 37. Which molecule carries genetic information from DNA to ribosome? A. Transferal RNA. B. Ribosomal RNA. C. Messengeral RNA. D. DNA. The answer is C, which is messengeral RNA, because messenger RNA carries the genetic code transcribed from DNA to ribosomes, where it is translated into proteins. Question number 38. Why are enzymes highly specific in their function? A. They are made of lipids. B. Their active site has a specific shape. C. They contain DNA. D. They require oxygen. The answer is B, which is their active site has specific shape, because the active site of an enzyme is uniquely shaped to bind only specific substrate, or lock and key or induced fit model. This ensures high specificity in biochemical reaction. Question number 39. Which carbohydrate is responsible for forming plant cell walls? A. Glycogen. B. Starch. C. Cellulose. D. Lactose. The answer is C, which is cellulose, because cellulose is a structural polysaccharide composed of beta-glucose units. It provides rigidity and strength to plant cell walls. Question number 40. Which biochemical is amphipathic in nature? A. Phospholipid. B. Carbohydrates. C. Protein. D. Vitamin. The answer is A, which is phospholipid, because phospholipids have hydrophilic, water-attracting head, and hydrophobic, water-repelling tail. This dual property allows them to form bilayer in cell membranes. Question number 41. Which vitamin is essential for maintaining good vision? A. Vitamin B. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin K. The answer is C, which is vitamin A, because vitamin A is required for formation of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina necessary for vision, especially in dim light. Deficiency can cause night blindness. Question number 42. Why is excessive consumption of saturated fats harmful? A. It increases water content. B. It lowers blood pressure. C. It improves digestion. D, it increases risk of heart disease. The answer is D. It increases risk of heart disease because saturated fat rises level of LDL, that means bad cholesterol, leading to plaque build up in arteries, which increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Question number 43. What is the consequence of enzyme denaturation? A, increased activity. B, no change. C, loss of function. D, formation of DNA. The answer is C, loss of function, because denaturation alters enzyme shape, especially the active site. This prevents substrate binding, leading to loss of enzymatic activity. Question number 44. Which sugar is commonly referred to as blood sugar? A, glucose. B, lactose. C, fructose. D, sucrose. The answer is A, which is glucose, because glucose circulates in bloodstream and serves as the primary energy source for cells. Question number 45. Which molecule directly stores hereditary information? A, RNA. B, DNA. C, protein. D, lipid. The answer is B, which is DNA, because DNA contains genes that store genetic information and control inheritance and protein synthesis. Question number 46. Which biomolecule can function as hormones? A, only carbohydrates. B, only lipids. C, proteins and lipids. D, only nucleic acids. The answer is C, which is proteins and lipids, because hormones can be protein-based, example, insulin, or lipid-based, example, steroid hormones. Both types regulate physiological processes. Question number 47. Why is it important to consume a balanced diet containing all biomolecules? A, only for energy. B, each biomolecule has unique function. C, only for growth. D, only for digestion. The answer is B, which is each biomolecule has a unique function, because different biomolecules serve different roles. For example, carbohydrates can provide us energy. Proteins can give us the structure and repair the damaged body parts. Lipid can help us to storage and insulation. Vitamins or minerals, it's help to regulate or regulation. Water can be used as medium for reactions. Question number 48. Which nutrient deficiency most directly leads to anemia? A, iron. B, calcium. C, vitamin C. D, sodium. The answer is A, iron, because iron is essential for hemoglobin production. Without enough iron, oxygen transport decreases, leading to anemia. Question number 49. Which type of bond stabilizes the DNA double helix structure? A. Ionic bond. B. Peptide bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. D. Covalent bonds. The answer is C. Hydrogen bonds, because hydrogen bonds form between complementary nitrogen bases, adenine to thymine and the cytosine to guanine, holding the two DNA strands together. Question number 15. Why are vitamins essential even though they are required in small amounts? A. They provide large amount of energy. B. They regulate metabolic processes. C. They form DNA. D. They store fats. The answer is B. They regulate metabolic processes, because vitamins act as coenzymes or cofactors in enzymatic reactions. Even a small deficiency can disrupt metabolism and lead to disease. That is all about for today. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you.